One of the best reasons to work with a Northern California property manager is that you have a better opportunity to increase earnings and decrease expenses. Here are just a few of the ways your management company can maximize your return on investment, providing a better and more profitable rental experience. A deep and professional understanding of the local rental market can help owners and investors in a number of ways, most notably, pricing your property competitively and profitably so you avoid vacancy loss and attract high-quality tenants. Marketing strategically with online advertising and innovative showing and tenant screening technology. Knowing what good tenants want in a rental home, whether it's upgraded appliances or off-street parking. You'll earn more when you know how to reach the best Northern California tenants. Maintenance is always going to be an expense, but with a good property manager, maintaining your investment can be cost-effective and efficient. Property managers focus on preventative maintenance, saving you from expensive surprises and large repairs. We're responsive to repair requests, and we have relationships in place with vendors and contractors who will protect the condition of your investment with the same sense of urgency that we have. Vacancy and turnover costs will eat into your ROI faster than anything else. We prevent that with a solid tenant retention plan that's responsive and proactive. Don't lose good tenants because of a lack of communication or accessibility. Your property manager will establish and maintain a good relationship with your renters, saving money and avoiding vacancy. Earn more on your Northern California investment property and contact our team at Bell Properties. We know how to help you earn more and spend less.